All right, don't worry, Twitch viewers. We are back at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. And we've just got to, upload a video because it's a red alert. You're all gonna die. You're all gonna die. Oh, my God. No. Goodness graciousness. There's a very slow speed CME happening between the Earth and Sun right now up in the northeast. It looked like it was getting unstable when we did our video this morning. And indeed. So check it out. There you go. Great CME eruption happening. And we're in the process of uploading a video to YouTube about it. So just give us a minute here. We'll cut back to the splentacular CME erupting as we speak, as we indeed stream. So in the meantime, make sure you join us over on Twitter. That filament could have already had a name. You could have named that filament after your favorite friend or foe. And then totally they would have been stoked. Or something. You know, you could have named the filament and now it could be headed out into the greater solar system. So, yeah, make sure you follow us on Twitter. Hit our links as well. Make sure you hit our links. smashomash.com is the original and official website of the Smash team and the least busted name in news, SNN. Yeah, SNN, the Smash News Network. So just let me get this video uploaded to YouTube here, and then I will cut back to El Sol. So in the meantime, if anybody's actually watching the video, it's always fun to screw around. And, you know, I've got the on-off switch, folks, where I can switch from completely serious to completely silly with zero warning. And I'm writing the title now. The title of this video is Oh Gond, Dear Gond, My Gond. I'm going to switch it. It's now Oh Gond, Dear Gond, My Gond. So I think that's a good title. What do you think? Oh God, dear God, my God. All right, so let me just get this video up on YouTube here. It'll just take me a minute. And maybe we'll even do a live stream at some later time. Maybe I'll even clip this video and put it on YouTube. We've got no incentive not to, as we are not monetized on Twitch. So the Twitch channel is just for the convenience of our viewers. Our viewers, our friends, and our foes get the convenience of seeing us stream live on Twitch. Of course, it's sometimes it's for fun. And sometimes it's for serious. There'll be no warning when we shift from one to the other. All right, we're going to put this video straight up to public. And we'll just share it on the Smash Team site. By the way, if you've never seen the Smash Team site, check that one out, smashomash.com/Smash Team. You can sign up for email alerts and so on over at the site. Of course, you won't see this admin console. That's for people like Smash staff and I only. But you can find all of our information there, of course, log in and so on. So we're going to create a post here just to show you how the email alerts work. We do send out email alerts for our videos, so figured I might as well give you a little insight into that. Just slap the video in there and then press publish. And then we'll show you the email alert process. We don't usually show these inner workings of how the sausage is made, but give that a minute to upload the video thumbnail and so on. There you go. It'll display right in the smAsh team page, so you never even have to use the YouTube app if you don't want to. You could just use your browser, save the smAsh team posts page. Little consumer tip there, save the smAsh team posts page as a favorite. That link right there. And that link will allow you to view the latest posts. So make sure you're logged in so you see the posts for if you're gold or silver level. You may see other posts that aren't otherwise visible. There may be even exclusive posts for bronze level. But typically, if we make a post for silver, gold sees the silver also and so forth. You get the idea. Anyway, we're just going to edit this post here to send out the emails. Thanks to our new subscribers who recently signed up for email alerts. We do send out disaster alerts, typically if there's like a tsunami watch and things like that. Also, if there's going to be extreme space weather events, we will send out information about that as well. So this is just reminding our viewers that, we do regularly stream live to Twitch. So we just like our viewers to be aware of that. And we had like 5 new email signups yesterday. All right, so there we go. That's done. Those emails got sent out. And that is how the sausage is made. So let's just return to the GOES 16 SUVI here, and we'll continue to watch this CME propagate. So anyway, that's a little tutorial there about how the website works. And of course, this video was originally streamed live to twitch.tv/smAsh. So thanks for being spaced out at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsh, signing off.